Hello, and thank you for joining me for a few minutes for a brief overview of the Mental Health Risk Retention Group, also known as MHRRG. This is the MHCA endorsed insurance program, and I'm agent partner Bo Ingledue. Today I want to go through just a little bit of content, including the brief history, benefits of the program, the risk management component, a couple of peer statements, and of course share my contact information. Starting with a quick history of MHRRG, this is a program that specializes in providing liability insurance for the behavioral healthcare field. It all began back in 1987 when the MHCA and the National Council for Behavioral Health joined forces to create MHRRG. This was due to the lack of traditional markets willing to write coverage for behavioral health centers. It's endorsed by the MHCA and the National Council for Behavioral Health. MHRRG only insures behavioral health organizations. In fact, the board of directors overseeing the program is made up of your peers. These are CEOs of behavioral health organizations across the country. They know what you do, what you need, and what the coverage needs to do to respond. Benefits to the program include policy forms that are specific to your industry and drafted to best protect its insureds. You own your insurance company with MHRRG. As insureds, you're stockholders. Members are paid dividends. While these are not guaranteed, they have been paid consecutively for more than 20 years, and in recent history have been between 10 and 12% of policy premiums. There's protection against cancellation. No organization will be canceled or non-renewed without one full year's notice. This is important because if you have an incident, you want to know that you're not going to be canceled the following year. There's very specialized claims handling by people who know what you do. There's a rate cap. Rates cannot increase more than 15% in any given year. There's a risk management hotline allowing you to actually get help before an issue escalates. And there's that individualized risk management program that we'll go into a little more detail here. There's a customized loss prevention tool built into the program with topics including suicide, violent acts of patients, medication errors, employment practices, employee sexual misconduct, patient sexual misconduct, and privacy and sharing of information. So what are your peers saying? Bill Nelson with Bridgeway says, MHRRG is unique in so many ways, one of which is that it is a strong business governed by actual leaders in the behavioral health field. The company was developed by behavioral health care leaders for the benefit of behavioral health care providers. The product is competent, consistent, competitive, and truly evolves with the needs of our industry. North Central Behavioral Health Systems has been a customer owner of MHRRG for over 25 years. They have industry-specific knowledge of our services, staffing, and clients. In addition, our renewals have been reasonable and stable over the years, and the dividend has been consistent. I highly recommend MHRRG, that's Larry Block with North Central Behavioral Health Services. Other than MHRRG, some coverages that I can provide to make the package for you are property, directors and officers coverage, employment practices liability, business auto, work comp, cyber and network security coverage, excess and umbrella. So please contact me for more information, either by phone or email, and I'd be happy to arrange a time where we can meet. Thank you.